Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share pound cake recipe. In today's recipe, I'm going to fuse ages old flavor of pan in a cake. When I heard about this unique flavor in cakes, I was tempted to try it and experience it. And believe me, if you are also a pan lover like me, you won't be able to resist it. So let's start making this awesome pan gulkan cake. I have taken 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of refined oil in a mixing bowl, to which I have added 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now whisk it till we get a smooth mixture. Now I am adding 3/4 cup of homemade Milkmaid. You can also use Amul Mithai Mate or Nestle Milkmaid. In another mixing bowl, I am sieving 1.5 cup of maida, that is refined wheat flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now add dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix it gently. I had taken 1/4 cup of milk and added 1 teaspoon of vinegar and kept aside for 10 minutes. Now I'll add this milk little by little in the cake batter till we get the desired consistency. Next I am adding 2 chopped betel leaves and 3 to 4 drops of green color. Also add few drops of pan essence or rose essence, whichever is easily available to you. I am also adding rasva powder for the authentic pan flavor. This you can find at any pan shop near you, but it's completely optional. You can skip adding rasva powder if you have already added pan essence to it. Its flavor is very strong, so half teaspoon is more than enough. Now mix all the added ingredients to get a smooth and uniform cake batter. Now transfer the cake batter in the greased cake tin. Tap cake tin 6 to 7 times to remove air pockets and place it in preheated karai at medium flame for 1 hour. Now it's time to check whether our sponge is baked or not. We'll check it by inserting a toothpick. If toothpick comes out clean, that means our sponge is perfectly baked. So it's clean. That means our sponge is done. Now we will cut the cake sponge into layers. Here I have taken 500 ml of whipped cream, to which I have added half teaspoon of rasva powder. Now I'll start beating the cream. Again, if you don't have a rasva powder, you can add few drops of pan essence to this cream. Beat the cream till we get the stiff peaks. Here I have taken Hitkari's pan syrup. You can take any pan syrup, and I'll dilute it by adding little water in it. I will use this pan syrup solution to coat the layers of the cake. We'll soak the first layer with pan syrup and apply some cream on it. Spread the cream evenly all over the layer. I am applying some more cream on it and again spreading it evenly all over the layer with the help of spatula. Now I'm putting some gulukand and pan mukhwas on it. Now repeat the same process in all other layers of the cake. Spread the cream evenly on each layer, put some gulukand and pan mukhwas, and then cover it with another layer. On topmost layer, I am adding some more cream, to which I am adding few drops of green color and spreading it evenly all over my cake with the help of spatula. Now I am cutting my cake into 2 equal parts and sliding each of the part in the opposite direction with the help of a spatula and bread knife. Now I am covering naked part of the cake with the cream. Other side also. Now I am making the borders with the help of 2D nozzle. I have filled the piping bag with the pan syrup and giving dripping effect to the cake. As I am making this cake for my parents' anniversary, I have made this chocolate couple using silicone mold to decorate my cake. I am sprinkling some pan mukhwas on top of the cake, and I am also using red sugar coated hearts to decorate top of the cake and also the sides of the cake. A beautiful anniversary special pan flavor cake is now ready. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.